We're about halfway. How's the drive so far? Are you excited for DreamHack? Say hello to the channel. I don't think they've ever actually, I don't know if you've actually even been on this channel whatsoever.
Your last video.
What do you mean you're in my last one? The Google Pixel one. When were you? Oh yeah, yeah, he was at dinner with me in the Google Pixel one.
Yeah, no shot on him.
Yeah, that doesn't change the fact that he's a big, massive. Oh wow, look at this. We had to stop on the road trip just so he can get one of the most trash things in existence.
Altoids are the best.
They're trash. No, these. The pink gummies, they're the best.
Fresh in your breath?
I actually haven't had candy like this in probably 2 years. Not gonna lie.
Oh, there are a lot of jerky.
If you're traveling and you want something and you're like, trying to stay a little bit healthy, this is like the best travel snack, beef jerky. Do you like putting the fatty in your mouth by chance? You'll never catch me eat one of these though. Never. Little beef jerky. Smoke sounds pretty good, huh? Such an asshole. I had to have her turn down the music, the good music, so I don't get copyrighted. That's what I want to do someday. I would love nothing more. Megan and I have talked about this many times. We just sell everything and kit up the TRX and overlanding gear and just hit the road for like 1 year. Just 1 year. Just go live on the road. Just go camp. Yeah, get our asses eaten by wolves, as Steph just said. Anyways, quick update. Halfway to DreamHack. Ecstatic to see everybody. Very pumped to meet more of you viewers and to make fun of all the kick streamers. Hashtag blessed. Having a good ride with the gang. Updates to come. Atlanta has to be the worst fucking city in the entire world. This city is dog shit. The traffic is ass. People don't know how to drive. See you. Bye, guys. Get out of the way. We are here. We made it safely. Now, I gotta point out something that I've noticed. So there's a hotel chain called the Embassy Suites, and a couple years ago, I discovered this. What's dope about this is it's like not that expensive of a hotel, but they're always like full-on suites. It's crazy. So own personal bedroom, nice bathroom area, and then like a living quarter to sit back, watch some TV on like the downtime and get some work done. Highly, highly, highly recommend it. So we're already unpacked. Just wanted to kind of show you some of the things before I get out and about. So I did end up bringing the Phantoms because I was like, you know what, we're traveling. Why not bring an extra pair of shoes, because I'm extra like that for some reason. We already got everything unpacked. We had to bring the everyday carry with us. We got the Omega case, we got the MacBook, we got the Mac Pro headphones, whatever they are. We got the personal phone, we got a mouse, we got a keyboard, and we got this weekend's to-go bag. Personally, I'm the type of person that when I go to a hotel or when I travel, I like to unpack. I used to just keep everything in the bags, and I've always like wondered why they had so many like drawers and everything. So I was like, who actually uses those things? Then one time I just started using them. It's just so nice because I unpack all my clothes out into the drawers and hang up shirts. And then as I wear them, then I use my suitcase as like dirty laundry. So now every single time I travel, I unpack everything. Let me know if you guys are the same. I know it's tough because like it's super easy to get paranoid about like losing things and forgetting stuff, but I don't know, I just kind of got in the habit. Oh my God. I just now noticed I'm literally across the street from the College Football Hall of Fame. Like what the hell? There's the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. I think the Congress, yeah, everything that I'm doing this weekend is literally right there. So like this is fucking perfect. Anyways, we have a creator summit that we're going to today. It's a big event that's going on by Ghost Gaming, Prize Picks, I think. I'm sorry if I'm like butchering who's all throwing it together. Anyways, it's just this like big creator thing. They got like interviews and meetings and meet and greet. They have like people doing presentations and shit. And I genuinely want to go there for that. Not just for like the drinking side of things, but like I would like to meet some people from this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and we'll get going. Tonight I'm gonna be shooting on, by the way, the Fuji Film X100 VI. So a lot of B-roll and stuff is going to be on that. And then I'll just kind of like update things on my iPhone. I don't want to bring this out tonight as we're going to be a little bit more casual. All right, I'm not quite sure what this is or where it is. Still trying to find it out. Oh, I think it's actually right here. But yeah, one of the main reasons that I typically come to these things and events anymore, it used to be so that way I could like go out and have like a good time with the boys. But anymore now, I've just like had so many opportunities and met so many people coming to these things. So like I try any opportunity I get to come to an event, because you just never know who you're gonna meet, who you're gonna run into, like what can come from something. One of the last stream hacks I went to, almost got a 6-figure brand deal, but I'm waiting on fucking Kick to get updates out for the shit. What's up, dude?
How are you?
Is it over here?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it's inside.
So like there's definitely that shit that comes from this. It is so perfect that they were catering subs here, because I have been on a fucking sub kick lately. Italian Jersey Mike's, what are we talking about? Honestly, kind of mid though. Kind of mid? Mid? Good? What do you think?
It's okay.
A little mid? Yeah.
I'd rather eat Jersey Mike's 100 times.
Yeah, I've been on a huge Jersey Mike's kick. What do we rate the mixer number one? What do we rate that? I mean, honestly,
It was a cool venue.
Mixer failed.
yeah, they did. So
Ghost Gaming knocked it out of the park.
yeah, that was
They did
actually
fantastic.
pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. It started off as like a casual kind of meet, socialized talk. Then at like 8 o'clock, look at what friends are just willing to do. At like 8 o'clock, the bar and food opened up, and that like everybody like loosened up. Got to meet some people, got to meet some viewers.
Sandos.
Yeah. So now we're going to the kick party, which this is the point in the video where everybody's like waiting to see some kind of like montage of just pure degeneracy, and hopefully it won't turn into that. You're fired. I'm taking over. You didn't answer your phone.
You are the CEO.
We had to sneak Stefan.
What?
Yeah. You didn't put her name on the list.
I would have come.
You didn't put the name in
You
the
didn't put her name on the list.
I apologize. Did you get in regardless?
Yeah,
I did.
Got her in. So we're about to leave the club, our bar.
Yeah.
Kick has a fucking bus. Head of partners driving a fucking bus for Kick. Yeah,
It's a Sprinter.
wait till I give this to Drama Alert and fucking Dexerto tomorrow, bud. They said they're going to the strip club. Sick fucks. Weird Kick streamers. Dude, I don't know how I make a subject around today's video, because we went to the Kick party. I was like, I don't know what to record at this point, because I'm just like cutting loose, hanging out, talking with everybody. But like, it like hit me literally the second I got back in the room, and I was like, what do we do with today's video? Like, what do we do to bring value, in a sense, to this video? And then it hit me. It's like, that in itself. Let me explain real quick. Part of the reason why I go to these events is like, not only to meet up with the individuals that I know, but to also have the opportunity to meet the people that I never get to meet, to interact with people that at one point are just views on a fucking screen, and then get to hear their stories. And I just want to have the one-on-one time with the people that like support me. But I guess like that's the point. Sometimes you just have to fucking disconnect. Sometimes you just have to like take a step back and appreciate like the things that you do. And these events, like getting to meet all the new people, but also getting to meet the people that have supported me for years, is like, it's fucking like top priority. It's like a good like recharge button that like I need, man. It's just so easy for us as creators to get like in our own heads and get against ourselves like with comparing the numbers that we create to everybody else and seeing like where we could be versus where we should be. But when you get the opportunity to meet a real fucking person that tells you like, hey, I was struggling with this, or this, but like your videos helped me out. It just changes everything. It changes your vibe. It changes like the things that you work about. You feel like less worried about the stupid shit that you just put on your plate. The number one thing that just makes me so proud is the amount of people that are like, dude, I've been loving the transition with like you being a father. For me, my father left. I had a weird childhood. I'm happy with what I got. I know I haven't really like ever talked about it too much, but the sheer fact that people tell me that like I'm a good father and they like that I show that part of my life, it means the fucking world. And I only point that out because it's just like, it's the small perspective of things. So many people could say like, oh, I've seen that you got like 1 million views on a video, or like you do all this work with Kick, or you do these brand deals. But to me, like having a conversation with somebody where they were like, oh, you uplifted me to do something. And by the way, I love seeing you become a father. It is a fucking recharge button that people like myself need. So I appreciate y'all. It was so great meeting you guys on night number 1. I'm genuinely looking forward to the actual event. I need to get some sleep because I'm fucking tired. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications. That's what I got for you guys today. I'm out. Peace. Deuces.